Processing an event. Once an event is created, double-click on the created event or click on the Open button and it will open in the Compose Design window. Here you can see the canvas area. The window is divided into 4 different panels. The panels located on the left side offer you a variety of effects to add onto the photo. The panel located on the right offer you additional tools, basically used for placement of the photo. Title edition facility is also provided on the same panel. Now the panel located on the bottom of the window lets you insert designs, photos and clip arts. Now the 4th panel is created for the output generation process. On first, insert the desired template. Here, to access more options, explore the drop-down menu. Now more options are visible. The templates are divided into various categories to make the template finding quite easy. Select the category of template you want and the templates in the category are displayed. The templates are further bifurcated according to the orientation, that is landscape or portrait. Now at a time, templates of any one orientation are displayed. Here, either insert any desired template or change the orientation from here. The landscape orientation can be accessed from the landscape icon and the portrait orientation can be accessed from the portrait icon. The new template addition is visible from the Create Design button. Now, existing templates can be edited from the Edit Design button. Delete templates from the Delete Design button. Now insert the desired template by double-clicking on it. Here you can see the orientation on the canvas area is automatically managed according to the template inserted. Now, to insert photo into the design, go on to the Photo tab. Here, by default, the path is opened, which is defined at the time of saving the event. From here, access the additional tools. Browse from the Change button and select the path of the photo folder. To add photos onto the design template, you need to double-click on the photo, or you can simply drag and drop the photo like this. Let's remove the Chroma background from this photo. Now the Chroma removal process is much simplified in the latest version. There are various ways to remove the Chroma. We will see each method. Now first select the photo. Now here the Chroma color can be selected from the color palette, which can be accessed by clicking on this circle. Now the color palette gets opened. Now match the color with the Chroma tool from the photograph. After you select the nearby perfect color, you can see the Chroma color is removed. Now when you give Chroma, it happens that the Chroma of certain parts of the image has not been removed due to the imperfection of the Chroma and light settings. Zoom into the image and see the image in large size. Manage the tolerance of the Chroma from the plus and minus sign. Manage the feather of the Chroma removal from the feather option. Increase the feather effect by clicking on the plus sign. More you click the plus sign, more the feather will be applied onto the photo. To reduce the feather, click on the minus sign. To reset the feather, click this circle. The feather will be reset. Now bring the image to normal level from the Fit to Screen button. Zoom in your page with the Zoom In button. Zoom out your page with the help of the Zoom Out button. See your page in actual size with the help of Actual Size button. And fit your page into the screen by clicking on the Fit to Screen button. The Chroma effects given can be reset from the Reset button that's available here. Let's see another way to remove Chroma. Here the Pick Color tool is given. Now select the photo and choose the Pick Color tool from here. Pick the Chroma color and you will see the Chroma is removed and you get a perfect photo. Manage the tolerance and feather from here. Reset the Chroma effect from here. You will get the original image back. Now there is another way of removing Chroma. And from here you select the Chroma photo option. Use the Color Picker tool to choose the Chroma color here like this. You can also adjust the feather and tolerance of your photo. Adjust the brush size and the feather of the correction tool from here. Keep the Control key pressed to activate the correction mode. Keep the Shift key pressed to revert the changes. To save the changes done, go on to the Save button. The brightness and the contrast of the image can be managed from here. To increase the brightness of the image, select the image and click on the plus icon. Keep on clicking until you get the desired effect. The minus sign lets you reduce the brightness on the image. To reset the brightness on the original level, click on the brightness icon and the brightness adjust will be resetted. In the same way, the contrast of the image can be managed from the plus and minus signs and can be reset by clicking on the contrast icon. The red, green and blue values of the image can be managed by the respective plus and minus signs. Select the image first and then adjust the required values just like this. To reset the red, green and blue value, click on the respective icons and reset the individual effects. Here, some additional tools are also provided for advanced editing of the photo. Select the photo you want to edit and from this icon, access the drop-down menu. Simultaneously, you can double-click on the photo to go on to the Edit Photo window. Your basic and artistic filters are also provided to enhance the photo. In addition, plugins can also be imported. Save the changes with the Save button. Now to apply instant effects like opacity, colorize, shadow and blur, a quick access bar is provided here. For any effect, 3 presets are provided and they can be applied on a single click. Let's learn how these presets affect the image. First preset of any preset is a low effect. For example, the opacity low. By applying this effect, the lowest opacity will be applied. Now if you want to reset any of the effects applied, click on the effects applied. Here we have applied the opacity low, so it's reset by again clicking on the opacity low button. Likewise, the second preset of each effect is medium level. From here, example, colorize medium. Here the colorize effect will be applied till the medium level and it is here applied like this. Effects can be reset by clicking on the colorize medium again. The third preset of each effect is high. The effects can be applied on the maximum level. Here we are applying the shadow effect. Effects can be reset from the same button. Similarly, you can adjust the blur effects also with the ready presets. Now once you're done with the effects applying process, you can hide the photo panel like this. The panel again will be opened like this. The objects on the page can easily be removed and placed according to your design you want to create. Move the objects like this. Here, a new clip art can also be inserted and placed anywhere onto the page. Go on to the Clip Art tab and insert any clip art by double-clicking on it or simply drag and drop it onto the page. Resize and place the clip art according to the need. Manage the place of the clip art from the arrows easily. No need to move or resize photos manually. The size of the photo on the page can be increased or decreased by using the plus and minus button. The plus sign is to increase the size and the minus sign is to decrease the size. Now manage the place of the photo from these arrows quite easily. Now to rotate the photo clockwise, click on the rotate icon. On every click, the photo will be rotated. If the photo is unlocked, the image will rotate within the frame applied. And if the image is locked, only the photo inside the frame will be rotated. Whenever you apply any rotation, it can be reset by clicking on the rotate button here like this. The title exists in the design and can be altered, or a new title can also be added. To add the title, click on the blank space. Type in the name you want to insert. The title inserted will appear like this. Manage the font type and the size of the font from the available drop-down menu. Now give a bold, italic or underline effect from here. Choose the color of the title from the color palettes available here. Select the color and click on OK. Similar title styles can be chosen from the various ready presets available in the drop-down menu. You will see the instant effects applied here. Now to rotate objects clockwise, click on this rotate icon. Similarly, you can rotate it counterclockwise, like this. Whenever you apply any rotation, it will be reset by click on this rotate icon. The font size of the title on the page can be increased by using the plus and minus button. The plus sign is to increase the size and the minus sign is to decrease the size. Manage the place of the title from these arrow keys quite easily. The order is ready to process. Now after processing, if you want to change the photo and process the order again with a different photo, simply change the photos from the Photo tab. After applying the photos, you will see the effects applied on this photo.